Hello, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, this is Mommy APJ Plus, and you're welcome to APJ Plus Family TV. So today, guys, I'm bringing you another DIY how you can turn your lip balm into a lipstick. My hot water. So I'm going to be doing the double boil method to melt down to dissolve all the ingredients I'll be using. I have my shea butter, I have my beeswax, I have my coconut oil, and I have my castor oil. So just watch me. I have my, you already know this one. This is my iron oxide. So you're going to see how I'm going to turn a normal lip balm into a lipstick. And this is the container we're going to be using. This is the container for lip balm. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do, I put my pot on the stove. Guys, sorry for that noise. My baby is just shouting. I don't know why. So I'm going to take my wax. I'm just putting in some because I'm not using much. Guys, I'm sorry. My baby is crying. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to scoop in some shea butter. Also scoop in some coconut oil. I'm going to lower down the heat now. Then I will be adding my oils as well. Hope you guys have seen it. I'm adding my oils as well. I'll just pour that one away. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to double boil it to melt it. Yeah, I just sit it down like this and give it time to melt. This is what we are using. This is how it looks now. So I'm sitting it down for a while. See, I'm still trying to melt down everything. You need to give it a little bit of time because beeswax take a little longer to melt. The rest base has already melted down, but the beeswax needs some time to melt. So I'm going to leave it there. So you can see it well. Note, guys, when you see me making product like this, not putting on my gloves, just know it's not for a commercial purpose. Okay, the beeswax still needs to melt. As you can see, I still have the beeswax. This is beeswax, so you need to be very, very patient with beeswax because it's a very solid one to melt. So let's give it a time, and don't increase your gas too high. You put it on a medium. You don't just want to boil out everything. Okay, give it time. It will all melt. Okay. to stir it from time to time. We're almost. We're going to go ahead. Let me show you. You see now it's like this. It's all melted down. So now I'm going to bring it out and put it here because I don't want to burn myself there. What I normally do, because since I did normally, if I'm making the one to sell, I make I measure it out, so I know my measurement of how to make 10 stick of lip balm. But this one I don't measure it out because I'm not selling it. It's like this. If you don't measure, what you have to do is to take just a little amount like this and keep it aside. You see it? Just keep it aside and wait for some minutes. You can just transfer this water first. You wait for this one that you keep aside. You wait for it to settle down and see the outcome of it before you go ahead to add any other ingredient to it, so you won't mess up everything. Because after melting this one, you can add your fragrance oil, you can add your colors to it. But if you don't want to add color, because now just like this is 100% organic lip balm, because everything I'm using here is beer now, like this. Okay, so this is just a normal lip balm, how it looks. So I want to turn it to a lipstick, so that's why I'm making the next step. So you wait. You see the one I took out from there is sitting already. You wait for it to solidify and see how it look, the consistency, because you don't want it too runny. And I will say this one is okay. This is the right consistency you can use. So I'm going to go ahead because I want to take off that one. So I'm putting it back into the bowl to melt it back, so I can add my other ingredient to it. I'm going to scoop out everything from here because it's a good amount you have here. I'm going to scoop out everything. So now I have all melted, so I'm going ahead to add my color to it. When using this dye, you have to be very careful because it can stain. Okay, I have my dye. So now I'm going ahead to stir it very, very well. Give it a good stir. If not, you have all your color down. The color will just settle down, so you don't want that. So we are going to give it a proper stir. You see what we have now? This is what we have now. So now you can turn off your gas. Now, what we are going to do next now, I'm transferring it out. In this process, you have to be extremely fast. Extremely fast. If not, see what I'm doing now? Voila. So we are just going to wait for this to settle down. We're going to give it some minutes. So this is our finished look, and it's like this. Our lipstick is ready. See, this is our lipstick. Let me show you. I don't want to mess this one up. I feel pitiful. It's too fine. It's like this. This is our red lipstick. Is ready. Is ready. You see? See, our red lipstick is ready. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And this is your first time coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and get a lot of how to make your own makeup, your own cosmetics. Okay, see you on my next video. Bye bye.